A purpose is what gives something its meaning. It defines what that thing is here to do. And you could take that all the way down to a stapler, whose purpose is to bind documents together with a little metal clip, to something as big as your life or a nation or a galaxy. It all has to have a purpose. Otherwise, it means nothing. Even information needs a purpose. I mean, we live in the information age, and yet I've never seen so much meaningless information. All you have to do is hang out on social media for a couple hours, and you'll understand exactly what I mean. So this series has a purpose, and that is to deliver critical concepts and practically relevant information about designing, implementing, and troubleshooting wireless networks. Now, I want to emphasize two things in this purpose statement, and that is critical concepts and practically relevant. When you dive into the realm of radio frequency and wireless networks, you'll find there is all kinds of information out there. The problem is, unless you've done wireless networks for a long time, you don't know how to differentiate between the information that you really need and just interesting information. And that's what I've really tried to do with this series, is sift it down to exactly what you need. We'll start off with a few nuggets of primer information. That way you have a base understanding of what radio frequencies are and the challenges that you run into when dealing with them. Then we literally take that information and go on site. In this series, you'll find that we visit many locations, sometimes to design a new wireless network, other times to survey an existing network and find its weaknesses, other times to troubleshoot the wireless network and figure out what's going wrong, and sometimes to even do some unusual stuff, like bridging two buildings together wirelessly. Over on the left-hand side, I have the list of titles that are included in this series, and my goal is not to read through them all and describe what's in them. You can look at the website and see all the descriptions yourself. My main purpose in showing it to you is to circle right back to that purpose statement. Going through all of these videos will give you the core information that you need to design, implement, and troubleshoot wireless networks. Now, what you choose to do with that information is your purpose. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.